This course is brought to you by Appy Pie as part of our Academy series.
What is up, guys? Arifur is here and welcome to Web Research Volume on Finding Company Information for Beginners. In this lecture, I will show you how to check company website mobile friendly status. At first, you have to open Google Chrome browser, then you have to visit google.com, type mobile friendly test and press enter. Visit this site. Just make sure this link search.google.com/text/mobile:friendly. After visiting the website, in here, input the website link, then click on Run Test. Now you have to verify you are a human, not robot. Just verify the CAPTCHA. Now you are able to see the page is mobile friendly. If the page is mobile friendly, input yes in the mobile friendly status. If the page is not mobile friendly, input no in the mobile friendly status.